The Pennsylvania Department of Labor and Industry's Office of Vocational Rehabilitation empowers people with disabilities to achieve success in employment and independence. Last year, OVR partnered with 6,000 employers to assist over 9,300 residents of Pennsylvania with disabilities in accessing real jobs with real pay. Meet Trent West, student employee at Dorney Park. This is his story. Amy Burke, OVR counselor.
When I first met Trent, he was very nervous and wouldn't make eye contact, kind of looked to Mom for all the answers. And I had the opportunity to go and observe towards the end of the Real World Lehigh Valley program. And it was just amazing, the transformation.
Michael Fainel, employer partner.
The SIL came up with the idea for Real World Lehigh Valley, and they approached our HR team and pitched having a classroom series that they could then go out into the park and have, real life work experience with our team members being mentors.
Jess McAdams Sellers, Director of Human Resources.
And really what that was a partnership to bring participants here to Dorney Park for 6 weeks and allow them to learn what it's like to have a job, learn what it's like to work at Dorney Park as well, and also cover other skills that would benefit them later on in life.
Being here where he could experience several different departments and the way things work, the structure of how things work. And Trent is an individual who loves to work, so he really took this opportunity and ran with it.
Trent West, student employee.
The training was interesting. It's like a new learning experience for us to learn stuff that we can do like in the near future when we live on our own and when we get jobs.
Lori Newman-Mankos, LVCIL partner.
And it was a wonderful opportunity for them. It really increased their self-advocacy skills, their independent skills, their employment skills, and the park was wonderful in providing that opportunity for them.
We learned about how certain things work back there in the restaurants, how the food is made. We cut up tomatoes, cleaned up potatoes.
So this program is truly meant to help individuals to build those skills, and then hopefully when the transition, they're able to obtain a full-time, part-time job and be successful and be independent.
He's in a job, getting a paycheck, being competitively employed, and I know how much they like him at that business, and I can't say enough about him. He's a wonderful young man.
If people have disabilities, I think they should do the Real World Lehigh Valley for Dorney Park, because I think it'll be a very cool experience for them.
To learn more about OVR, visit dli.pa.gov/OVR or connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Call OVR at 800-442-6351 or email us at ovrfeedback@pa.gov. Brought to you by the Pennsylvania Department of Labor and Industry Office of Vocational Rehabilitation. #, our vision is working.